Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to continue our bWAPP series. Specifically, we will try to bypass, we try to exploit forgotten passwords, a function of web application. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then we can head over to Canonics VM to start. The first is to choose the module or the bug to go ahead. Yeah, the second one. No, not this one. Yes, forgotten function. Hack. And we can try to input email like a test. Forgot. However, we got the error invalid user. So from this point, we can guess the backend or the application is checking email. If we supply invalid email which doesn't exist in the database, we will get such error. So in case we have already got email address of a specific user, such as administrator, so what will happen? We can copy, and of course now I'm assuming that we have already got email address of a user, okay, by some means. So now we can click forgot. You see, we immediately got a secret. Of course, this forgot function is poorly developed. Even we do not own email address. Do not own email, okay? But if we can get email address and then we can utilize this forgot function to get a secret, okay? So very simple challenge, but I'd like to use this challenge to illustrate how poorly developed function will lead to vulnerability. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.